Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So gold is getting very close to my wave 3 target. I definitely think this is a 1, 2, 3 right here. I've had this 161.8% Fibonacci target for quite some time now. We're getting very, very close to that target. Maybe it will stop right there. It doesn't have to stop there. It could possibly keep on going, especially looking at other dollar pairs. But it does seem like a very likely area to end a wave 3, probably start a wave 4 correction, and then eventually head back up and make that wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the end of a wave 2 is way back here, and then this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So this is a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we are currently in that wave 5 of 3, which I think needs to go up a little more. I think it's more likely it's going to stop someplace around the 25.50 area. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think we're in a wave 5 right now. I think the wave 4 is ended back here, so that makes this a 1 of 5, a 2 of 5, a 3 of 5, probably a wave 4 of 5, and we're probably likely in that wave 5 of 5. I'm honestly still not really convinced it's over. I mean, it's not really respecting this Fibonacci level. I think it's more likely to head up to that $2,500 area because that's where the 161% Fibonacci extension lays on the monthly time frame, which seems like a very, very, very high probability area for this to end up. So taking it down to the weekly 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on just the last wave up. We already made 3 waves down and pulsive up yesterday, so I mean it does kind of look like maybe, just maybe, it's going to make a bigger, more proper looking pullback before it continues the uptrend. But all I know is I definitely wouldn't be betting on any shorts right now. I would definitely be looking for longs for the continuation of the uptrend. Since we are likely in a wave 3 on the very high time frames, this thing is probably more likely to just keep on trending up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely still looking for logs. Yesterday I said 1, 2, 3 waves down, Fibonacci level. Nice little long right there. Really, I mean, we don't have a breaker structure to the downside, so for me, there's definitely no reason to even think about going short right now. It kind of seems to me like maybe it is going to go down a little bit, but if it makes another higher low, then I definitely would go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I was explaining on the higher time frames, the monthly time frame 161.8 is right around the 25.50 area, and then we also have a 61% Fibonacci extension of wave 3 to project a wave 5 on the daily time frame, which also lines up right around the 25.50 area. So I think that 25.50 area is almost very likely to be the target where this wave 3 does end, which is still a pretty decent amount of upside potential for us. So that tells me I'm definitely still going to continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.